money is not the end. It's a tool. And for us, it's a tool to bring happiness to family, special people, and loved ones. Very important po yun. Kasi in the end, baliwala ho yung pera eh. Yung pera is a tool for something else. It's a leverage for happiness. I'm not saying, a lot of people will say, oh, money cannot buy happiness. Maybe they don't know where to shop. Hindi po. Naniniwala din ako doon. Pero, pag may pera kayo, ang mga experiences, mas lalong nagiging happy. It is an enhancer. It magnifies. Diba? So, ang tao po na mabait, napapabait pa lalo ng pera. Ang taong bastardo, pag nagkapera, lalong magiging masama. Kasi he will use money for the wrong thing. So, in the end, money is a personality magnifier. So, watch out how you magnify yourself with money.